AO Flats is a 78-unit mixed-income rental housing development in Boston, being built adjacent to the MBTA's Forest Hills Orange Line station. Consistent with the Baker administration's priorities, the project will redevelop a vacant MBTA-owned parcel into affordable transit-oriented housing. Roughly half of the project's units will be traditional affordable units, and the other half will be workforce housing units affordable to moderate-income households. The name AO Flats comes from its location. The A is for Arboretum, as the property is a short walk from the Arnold Arboretum. The O is for the Orange Line, which is the MBTA line next to the property. MassHousing is supporting the development of AO Flats with a total of $27.4 million in financing, including $8.1 million in Workforce Housing Initiative funding, $13.1 million in construction and permanent financing, and a $6.19 million bridge loan. The construction site was once the location of the car barn for the Orange Line train cars. That building was incredibly solid since it had to support the weight of the train cars, and large cement pilings had to be removed from the site. This location has been a central part of the Forest Hills neighborhood for decades. The project superintendent, Vincent Benacasa, shown here, has a large collection of vintage photographs showing the site over the years. The AO Flats project is being developed by the Community Builders, or TCB. The contractor is Built Right Construction. The project is on track to be completed by the summer of 2019. AO Flats is a great example of MassHousing's financing at work, and it will provide affordable homes for many years to come.